Ooh, hello. Wow, this is really exciting. I say that every week, but this genuinely is really exciting. I am here in what's going to be the restaurant. Ferdy is building amazing Abbey Road style gobos, whatever you want to call them. These things, these movable soundproof screens for the studio. We've got 5 big ones and 3 little ones, but that is actually just a little teaser because the video about those is going to be coming out next week or maybe the week after, very soon, because equally excitingly, what's going on in the studio right now is that I am setting up with my dear pal Tobias from Berlin, who is a legend on the drums. We're setting up for a weekend of making music together. So far, we've got drums, we've got my amazing, beautiful 1958 Slingerland Capri Pearl with real mother of pearl flakes. It's such a beauty. So far, we've set up drums and piano, and our plan is to spend this whole weekend writing, recording, mixing, overdubbing, and finishing off as many songs as come out of us. We have no real plan. This is going to actually be part of a new series, somehow, kind of a series called No Idea, which is going to be me and maybe sometimes not me, and other people that come here making music without any particular plan, just to see what happens, and then putting it out and seeing what happens there as well. So yeah, we have written some sketches, just very loose sketches, and over the next 3 days, we're gonna put it together. So if you're a member and you're watching this on Friday, then this will be coming out on Monday evening. If you are not a member and you're watching this on Sunday, then this will be coming out tomorrow evening. So even less time to wait than the members, which seems a little bit unfair, but yeah, sorry about that. Tobias is just finishing off laying some cables. One thing that is really cool is how this looks from at the top of the spiral staircase here. I'll just give you a quick glimpse on that before I go. Yeah, man. Wow, looking very good. And a beautiful sunset out here as well. So nice. So yeah, No Idea, Volume 1, this weekend. We will see you on Monday night with a finished record. Don't know if it'll be a single, an EP, or an album. Who knows? Who cares? It's going to be really good fun. And yeah, so I will see you then. Until then, have a great weekend. Lots of love and goodbye.